limousine riding the women loving. Woo, daddy, you messing with the nature boy. Okay, folks, on this video, we're going on a boat ride. Going a boat ride here on Subic Bay. Got everybody loading up. I want to thank y'all for joining me. Take my shoes off here. I'm gonna get my shoes wet. I gotta wear these home. Shout out to my buddy Junior here with the boat. The Neil McCoy. I think I rode this thing before.
I see you on YouTube.
All right, man. Well, thank you very much, Junior.
I make it. I find you in YouTube.
Well, thank you very much for watching our show, buddy.
My Facebook sir is June Bayon.
June Bayon?
Yes, you can see my picture and my phone.
Now look, you're getting on one of these boats. Little bamboo ladder. Can you hold that on me? Okay. So folks, welcome to today's show. We're going on a little boat ride here.
Hello.
On Subic Bay. Where should I sit? I was just gonna sit over here.
Sagdi na yung pasig-asa na yung pasitay. So sorry. Di ba? Di na mama. Okay, mama. Hayang mi dire bantay lang ka puno na ni kay dire. Ano mas atisika sa mua? Pangbato mo na naman sa atisika.
This is my first time.
Where's the water?
Here.
Did we bring some water?
Wala here.
Where's the other two bottles?
Wa sila nagdala no.
Ayan no, sa likod ni mo.
Oh.
Huh?
Only me. Bring.
Okay, so let me show you the water that the ladies brought for this whole crew. Okay. This is all we have. And the last instructions I gave before I went to get the camera gear ready was, hey, everybody bring all the
No, I'm the one who bring that. Them did not bring.
This is the only water we have. She's not very smart, but I see we do have chicharrones. And more chicharrones. Okay, now it's my fault because I should have checked. But this is sort of a serious thing going out on the bay in the hot sun, and this is the only water that we have.
Yes, ma'am.
So let's ask Junior, is there a sorry store on the island?
None, sir.
None.
Just only if you wanna go take some picture like that, you know, if you go down
Okay.
in the island.
All right. Well, this is all the water that we brought because the ladies did not listen to my
We're excited.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
What time is later on? I give you time.
Okay, man.
If you wanna spend for your time, up to you, sir.
All right. I think 1 hour will be good because we're gonna run out of water.
I have a nice jacket already. I don't need it.
Ah, Lord.
My family is in San Diego.
San Diego. Well, the weather here now is about the same as San Diego. So the captain got this vessel fired up.
You got 9.
Okay, 9 o'clock. All right, man. You have us back by 10. Hey, Captain. Captain gonna drop the hammer on this vessel. I got the best seat in the house. I'm sitting by this one here. My supermodel. Yeah, supermodel. to go there anymore?
No, sir, no. Before that's a restaurant before.
Yeah.
Since 1975.
So 1975, that was a restaurant, but now you cannot visit.
That's from up White Castle whiskey.
Yeah.
That one. Yeah,
Just too dangerous?
yeah, very dangerous.
Okay.
Sometimes you drop like it put up.
Okay, so it's true that thing could collapse at any moment, folks. So no more visits to the Castle Island. That's sad to hear.
Restaurant.
Okay, he said before, since 1975,
Yeah.
so he says in 75 that was a restaurant. Okay, well sorry ladies, I thought we could visit the castle, but no more. You see the castle, sweetie?
Mura magkatong na salida ba? Captain Hook. Mura katong si Captain Hook ba?
Can you feel the love tonight? I see a grouper. There's a grouper right there. That's a big grouper. There was a crab. There was a crab inside that Coke bottle. I don't know how it got inside there, but there appeared to be a crab inside the Coke bottle. Strange brew. Like take off, eh? Okay, so I'm not sure how much you heard due to the engine noise back there. And I need to shoot over here on this side. There you go, old Steven Spielberg here. Okay, so I don't know how much you heard. Let me get it over here, some engine noise. There's no longer visits to the castle. He said it's too dangerous. It looks like it's about to fall in. So a lot of us were fortunate enough to be able to visit that castle, but now it's not available, which is kind of sad. I wanted to take Maria, but the cookie just didn't crumble like that. At least they got to get a cruise by. What do they call that? We did a salute. I think that's what they call that. A Costa Concordia. That's why they sank. They were doing a salute to that island. So there you go. How much is the price of this ride? For 1 hour, he charged us $1.8. The gentleman yesterday told me $2K. This gentleman was on station at the right time, the right timing. Come up with 200 cheaper. I said, let's go. Ain't no time like the present. We're headed in the direction of Hanjin. Now, back when we lived here, they referred to it as the now defunct Hanjin shipyard, which has been taken over by the gringos. Go back enough videos, I made some predictions years ago. I won't get into that, but we're headed in the direction of Hanjin, which you've got a bunch of ships pulled in over to the right, and before that place was nothing but a ghost town with just a couple of security guards. Now I'm assuming it's a hub of activity. Right in front of us is Grande Island, back there in World War II. Damn, I'm forgetting my history. There was a coastal artillery battery station there. Is that the right nomenclature of the unit? Anyhow, folks, a lot of history here in Subic Bay. There's a lot of ships sunk here in the bay from World War II. If you're into diving, this is a great place to dive if you're into like historical dive. I'm not a diver anymore. I used to dive when I was in America, but when I made the jump to Southeast Asia, I decided to not get into or stay into that sport. So I haven't dove any of these sites over here. All right, but just keep that in mind. A lot of wreck diving here in Subic Bay. What's the visibility of the water? I don't know. This ain't the Bahamas. We'll come over here to the island, pay 20 pesos, and you can walk up to the top, take some beautiful photos. Shout out to Junior said he's watching our YouTube channel. Thank you very much. He's got a Facebook page. I'll clearly show you the boat. and he was nice about it. He came around, stood around, waited, you know, patiently until he could let us know about his service. So I appreciated appreciated his smoothness of the sail. Showcasing your building. You can win a single mom contest, baby. No gears. Once they crank the engine, the propeller is turning, so there's no neutral. There's only forward motion. The captain's getting the ropes rigged up and ready. Again, check out all the ships that are parked over there at Sound Collision. Captain kills the engine. Now we're coasting. Ain't no reverse. Everybody brace for impact. Throws the rope, straddles it. Got some music kicking. Just like that, smooth. And just basically what the boat runs into a lot of this moss here. I guess it's like a natural padding. All right. He's like, get the hell out of my way, fool. Captain, I gotta get the footage, bro, of the rope operations there. Very easy. Just wait for the captain. Wait some for you. Ready?
Okay, go down.
Okay. Okay, you go first, and I'll bring up the rear here with Forrest G. Okay, just hold him tight. You got him, baby? There you go. You just grab him. Okay, Maria, you come on and hold Papa's hand here. 2 hands. Okay, we need 2 hands to get off the vessel. Go to the Kuya. Kuya, put them over there into the drinks there.
Go. It's okay.
Okay, you sure?
Yeah.
Got it, boss?
Sleeper, you want? Sleeper. I got the sleeper.
No, I'm okay, buddy.
You okay, sir?
Yeah, I think I'm okay.
Okay.
Got a little background music. Hey, they over there drinking, mixing drinks, and partying like rock stars. Ah, easy. Just an easy step off, folks. They do this all day. Yeah. All right, sir. Yeah, tapos are too big. All right, thank you very much. Yeah, we're good. Multiple points of contact. Into the drink. Ah, that's cold. That's cold, Captain. I'm trying to just stay within the hour. You got one more spot to go, but really, this is the spot that I was concerned about going with and showing the ladies. Okay, ladies, welcome to the island. Welcome to the island. They're gonna get some beautiful photos over here on the wall. In the background, you got the ships over there. Okay, so I asked these ladies, do you want to walk to the top?
No, I don't want.
They don't want.
Yeah.
Because she said, what, your slippers is so, I know.
Bakapal.
Okay, all right, well, we're not going to the top. No big deal, because we've been there before. Previous videos, we've been up to the top. They don't want to walk. Fatima's not big into walking. As you can clearly see when I make her go on these walking tours. I think out here's where we went snorkeling last time. I don't know, I was always drinking on these trips. So you got tables for rent right here. All right, my friend, you got some wares right here.
Yeah, that's
Souvenir shop. But this is basically a picture taking stop. And I highly recommend you walk to the top if you've never been to the top before.
Hello.
Coming down these rocks, you need slippers because I'm barefoot right now, and it's a little bit painful. Okay. Ooh. Yeah, to go swimming here, you got to get through these rocks. It's sandy once you get past the rocks. It's up to you if you want to get in or not. See the fishy, sweetie? Or she's like, man, I just want to go swimming. All right, I just want to go swimming. We saw all this sightseeing. I just want to go swimming. What?
You don't like to go in and she's scared.
All right, you got a boat rolling out. All right, just a quick stop here. Quick stop here. Why? We got small kids. There's just so many damn rocks. It's the old single dad thinks ahead because everybody's just snacked this morning. Nobody has ate breakfast. Okay, folks. So 20 pesos per head entry fee. 20 pesos per head. So I got to get into the Bank of Marquitos. So I've got, let's see, what I got? 5 adults and 3 kids. So 5 plus 3, I got 8. So 8 times 20 is 160. This is Mayanga Island. Mayanga Island. 20 pesos per head, so it costs us 160. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much. So 160 pesos. This little quick stop just to look around. Yeah, they call it the environmental fee. Everywhere in the Philippines have environmental fees. You go down to Puerto Galera, they got a Homeland Security fee. They used to. All right, thank you, sir.
There's the big boss coming.
Oh, my wife's the big boss.
Oh, yeah, really? Alright.
You can pay 20 pesos each.
Yeah, you already paid.
Already paid?
Yeah, already got him.
Okay, sir.
Grab the bamboo.
Oh, at the top. All right.
Yeah.
Look at her. Right up there at the top. Thank you, buddy. Look at that. Stop looking at the camera. Start looking at where I need to go.
Hoy, mistay tanang mo naman. Di naman na tinuday.
Ladikan. Sayad man na.
Gani no. Asa man na? Nindot?
Get the water out of the bag. Here, I'll just give you the bag.
Sarap sana maligo sa pantano. Tatalon-talon ano.
Pwede din kuya, pag ganon?
Oo.
Sige, ganyan tayo kuya. Ay.
See, once you pull that ripcord, you're in forward motion. And the same guy who pulls the ripcord is the captain. So we're in forward motion once that motor starts.
Guys!
hitting that in the middle of the night. If you're running through at speed, you hit that, you're gonna launch over it. True hazard of navigation right there. Get you the right angle on the dangle. Don't hate the filmmaker. Don't hate the cameraman. What can I do? Are you having a good time, sweetie girl? That's my sweetie girl, folks. Babe, that's a good question. Beautiful.
No. Daddy?
Yes, ma'am.
What happens if we put fish on top of the blood dripping?
Are you ready to climb the mountain? Why not? That's the mountain that we climbed. Right there. Way off in the distance. But that's Mount Makilio that we used to climb. Maria says she's cold. She's got a 50-50 this with Mama. These are these scarves I buy in Thailand and bring back for Pasalubong. They say they're silk. They're not silk, but they're still a good gift to bring back because they use them. Anyhow, if you're ever in Thailand, buy a bunch of these in your suitcase. Filipinos will love them. They use them for everything. Looks like I got a kuya and I think a young lady out there hand fishing. Now and then you'll see those flying fish cut across the bow of the boat. So she's on the lookout now, looking for more of those fish. There's that big fish over there. Look at the big fish. There's a big fish. There's a big fish right in there. Big, huge fish just jumped in Subic Bay. Somebody called the Guinness Book of World Records. Hell has officially frozen over. Slow rolling it through here. Little fixer-upper there, baby. We can fix that up. We can fix that up and live in that thing. I wouldn't trust those piers, though. I don't trust the concrete around here, especially when it's next to the ocean. I just don't trust it. Maybe that's why there's nobody living in that house or using it as a restaurant. I don't know. Just speculate. Speculate, Ron Burgundy. Speculate.
Oh, I'm not going down. I'm not going down.
You're not going out?
Yeah. Hindi ko baba. Tanaw lang siya. 8:45 naman, Day. 8:45? Let's go na. 8:45 na.
Let's go.
Yeah.
All right, just tell the captain to take
Ando
us
na
back.
tara ko yan.
Yeah, we're ready to roll, buddy.
Uwi na kuya, uwi na.
I just can't find any Filipina right now that wants to go mountain climbing with me. Shout out to Ruby. Ruby, I think you're the only one that can make it to the top of that mountain with me. I'm not sure about the rest of the ladies. Baby girly, I'll have to see if she's interested. Alright, so yeah, so girly was keeping an eye on the time. So, just enough time to get back, keep it under the hour. But that's all you need, folks. Especially when that sun comes up and everybody starts getting hot. Just go on an hour trip. You can't go to the castle anymore, so you're just gonna do a drive-by. The second place we went to, walk up to the top, it's worth it, and then just circle around the island and head off back. That's a 1 hour tour. 1.8, the guy yesterday again quoted 2. Just say 2 for 1 hour. Give these guys a little bit of a tip somewhere in there. But yeah, just a beautiful little ride. Get everybody out on the boat. This dude right here, he misses this lifestyle. He certainly misses the lifestyle. And that's been weighing on me. You want Daddy's hat? You wear my hat if you want. That's beautiful, beautiful. Filipino wife right there. So beautiful, baby. I'm showcasing your beauty. Can you barely see that rock up at the top of the mountain? The sun shines on it, and they painted them white at one point, so you can see up there clearly. Beachfront property over there. Looks like we might have a little rain coming in.
Looks like a big rat.
Big rat? Oh, big rat? Where? I don't see no big rat.
Look, that's wrong.
Oh, big rat over there? Don't know anything about the history of that. Okay, for reference, this is the mouth of the mighty Mata End River. That's where I walked to. I gotta quit pointing. Maybe it's messing up the video. That's where I walked to yesterday to the end. Got an eagle.
That's an eagle.
There's an eagle. It's a bald eagle. American eagle. Oh shit, that looked like an eagle. Is that? Yeah. Look at that eagle. So anyhow, that's the end of the river. That's where I walked to. That's the sandbar where people come to hang out. Do I really think it's a great area because that's where the river empties out into? Not really. Damn foot went to sleep. I want to thank you for joining us on today's tour. I almost lost my hat. It's windy out here. Whoa. I guess I should get rid of the hat for a minute. Hold on. So thanks for joining the tour. What a nice, beautiful morning. And believe it or not, we just stayed here one night. What I call a turn and burn. We just did a turn and burn. Everybody got their fill. And the thing about it too, okay, these ladies work. They got full-time gigs, so they, you know, it's hard to get a whole weekend off. So they got one night off. We made the best of it. Got another boat rolling out over to the right. Got a catamaran. Beautiful catamaran over there. Okay, off to the port side, you're looking at the floating bar. Used to have a green roof, now it's got a blue roof. I don't know who owns it, but yesterday that bar was packed out. I mean, it was full on a Saturday, so definitely check out that floating bar. That was always my favorite. Look at there, you got the McDonald's arches in the background screwing up the beauty of the mountains. The ladies got full-time gigs, and I asked them initially, I said, hey, can y'all go for 2 nights? that's a little much when you got a full-time job here, right? I said, no problem. We're going for one night. We're going to do a turn and burn. Going to make the best of it. Going to make the absolute best of it. Well, I hope y'all have enjoyed this series here on Subic Bay, Baloy Beach. Hey. Woo! Play it, folks. Just hate the game. She's cold. Are you cold, Annabelle? These Filipinos ain't never been this cold before. The first time that a Filipina actually wants sunshine because she's so cold. Or he's chilling with them chips. These little sun hoodies by Wrangler, 100% cotton. I'm not a big hoodie fan, but you know what? When you go to the beach, the sun beats down, you get your hat. Thank you for coming, ladies. I hope everybody had a good time. And this is your first time to Subic Bay, right? First time to Subic Bay. Sweetie, are you cold? Cold? Cat, are you cold? Just like that. Rolling back, coming back into the Blue Rock. Captain hit them with the whistle. Hitting them with the whistle to clear the beach. Clear the beach. Sound collision. They make a hole. The one kuya said, I'm not moving. The one dude said, I'm not moving. He's clearing them out with that whistle. Clear them out, Captain. Clear them out. Folks, I'm not telling them what to do, okay? They're doing their own operation. I'm just being a jackass narrating. But he's using that whistle to clear them out. And he's parting the seas.
Pampira, Noro. May pampira. Doon sa kapitan.
And just a nice soft landing. And touchdown, just like that. Real smooth. 2K. All right, don't forget your shoes, folks.
Thank you, boss.
Captain, thank you very much, my friend.
I get to change here.
That's fine to change it for you. 100 for you, 100 for the first mate. Thank you very much, my
Okay,
friend.
sir. Thank
We'll see
you.
you next time, buddy.
Okay.
All right, folks, had a great time on this captain's ship. All right, we'll see you, buddy. Got off the ship, and these ladies have found some dirty ice cream.
Some
How much the dirty ice cream?
10 pesos.
10 pesos?
10 pesos lang kami, ya. Ilan?
There.
Pila? 1, 2, 3. Kinsang mo kaon? 40. Kani nga kaapa. Kaya nga na ang giving ang apa.
The girl that came straight to the dirty ice cream spot.
Ikaw?
They still got to eat breakfast, but you know what? We're at the beach. And what flavors do you have, my friend?
Cookies, cheese, strawberry.
Okay, cookies, cheese, and strawberry. So it comes with all the flavors, right? In a nice little sugar cone for 10 pesos.
Ilan, madam?
What
40.
flavor again,
10
Daddy?
kuya.
Huh?
What flavor he has?
He's got cheese, strawberry, and what's the other one? Got cheese, strawberry, and one more. They're all delicious.
Lima daw, lima.
Lima kuya, lima. No. Okay.
Got to get ice cream when you're on the beach, folks.
Flavor lang, no?
Got to get the ice cream. Perfect little snack for 10 pesos, especially coming off that boat.
Isa kuya, cookies and cream lang.
still haven't got anybody breakfast.
Ay, di yung dalawang isa cookies and
But I tell you what, we were making the best of the Sunday. Everybody was up at
ay, dalawang
05.
Papa ko yung cookies and cream lang. Tapos
So check out times at noon, but we're getting another full day out of this. So really, we got 2 full days out of this quick overnight turnip burn. Got to manage your time properly. All right, what's these ladies wanting to eat, baby?
they're going to the Carinderia.
Going to the Carinderia? Okay, that sounds good. We're gonna eat some local food for breakfast. We got an advertisement here. Champ Sports Bar, darts, billiards, cold beer. Oh, it's the 2nd floor. I'm gonna show you the sign. Thank you very much, my friend. Thank you very much. So there's a sign right here. This way to the 2nd floor.
Hi, Maria. Look here, Maria. What are you eating, Maria?
I don't know what this is called.
It's called taho.
I'm eating taho.
Yes, you're eating taho.
This is very delicious.
Yeah. Nai-plastic kami ko unsa dai. Makubaan ako.
Have you thought it was a jellyfish?
Yeah, no. Hi, Mom. What are you eating, Mother? Mother Dragon?
I can eat it for you.
Grabe.
Maria. Wow. Are you having fun here in the beach? Day mo mag-ilan happy ta doon.
This is so delicious.
Bro. Oh, sige. Oh, gani. Oh, sige. Oh, let's go. Go, girl. Come, let's go, girl. Hi, boy. Do you want Parch G? Taste it.
Like eating those. See? You don't like eating those.
Yeah. Makawit din eh. Day, karang kuan. Kasi, kat-kat. Palihog.